Start. Madam, before I come to the general issues, I want to take the issue of the pension of ex-servicemen start. This is something which is agitating the ex-servicemen for quite a long time start. And recently the opposition leaders met the Prime Minister on his invitation and the Honorable Defence Minister was also there stop. Here on the floor of the House I would pointedly want to put this issue stanza. The ex-servicemen have been agitating for one rank, one pension for quite some time stop. The usual argument that was being given is that it will not be possible to make a reasonable distinction between ex-servicemen and the other government employees, civilian employees stop. In this regard, I had a consultation with the Attorney General Mr. Soli Sorabji when we were in the government, and he had told us that a reasonable distinction can very clearly be made stop. The tenure of the Jawan or the army man is much shorter than the tenure of the civilians stop. In fact, for the Jawan it is only 17 or 18 years, and it is a very short tenure of employment stop. So the duration of employment opportunity is small stop. The risk is much higher stop. Certainly the last risk that one takes is when one goes to the army or the air force or the navy stop. Also the time of stay away from his family you have to calculate in the defense service stop. So the hardships are much greater than any other service stop. At the same time, even in the constitution, it is given that the President of India is the supreme commander of the armed forces stop. This is a very special provision stop. This specific provision itself distinguishes this force from the other stanza. I want to assure the Honorable Minister that if any legislation is required or anything of that sort is required to protect the ex-servicemen, we are ready to cooperate with the government, and the government can bring a legislation where there can be no doubt about their separate classification stanza. In this regard, the National Front government had taken a decision in October 2010 to give benefits of pension to the ex-servicemen stop. The CCP had taken the decision of giving benefits from Sepoy to Subedar Major level stop. The government had in mind to give it to all the officers also stop. The commitment of the government for the officers was made clear through a press release on behalf of the government of